Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, continuing my experiments with that car battery. Of course, I don't have a controller, so I had to find some way to slow this thing down. So I've got the voltage running through a pencil, as you see. Just ran it through the lead of the pencil. The graphite has a lot of resistance. As you can see, this is why you can't use a rheostat to control this much current. As you can see, this thing is smoking hot, but it does act as a rheostat, as you see. And the closer I move these together, the faster the train will run. So anyway, I just wanted to do an experiment to see what it would take to actually run this on a car battery at a decent speed. I didn't have a resistor that would work, so I just took a pencil and ran the voltage through the graphite, and it works, as you can see, no doubt. But it gets really hot, and like I said, that's why you can't use a standard rheostat. A rheostat will work, but it will get really, really hot. So when that controller gets here, the controller is electronic, and it's designed specifically for controlling brushed motors on 12 volts DC. So anyway, when that controller gets here Monday, I'll be continuing my experiments. But as you can see, a fixed resistor does work. This thing will probably run for days at this speed. This is running directly off the car battery. It's running at a good constant speed all the way around the rail, as you see. So no doubt it will work. It's just a matter of getting that controller so I can do the final experiments. Once I know it's doable, feasible, I can set up this 12 volt battery and actually run the consist. Like I said, you can use this when there is no power available, and you'll have full control of the speed from 0 to full blast. So it's going to be interesting to see it. In the meantime, I wanted to do an experiment, and like I said, this is acting as a resistor, and it is really, really hot. But it does work. Graphite has a high resistance, and like I said, the closer I move these together, the faster the train will run. If you touch them together, of course, it takes off full speed. Pull them apart, and it goes back to the original speed. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. I'll do a follow-up when that controller gets here, but just a quick experiment with the 12 volt battery. So let's stop this thing right there, I think. Close enough. Anyway, so using a battery or a pencil as a resistor, and you can see this thing gets smoking hot. But it does work, and it's just a matter of getting a good connection on it, as you see. And this actually acts as a rheostat. So anyway, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.